in between. I'm stuck in that position. I'm just a machine. So you're stuck in the middle, huh? I guess we're stuck in between. Life is a riddle, yeah. And I don't know what it means, nah. This is what it feels like. But you're not alone, 'cause I'm just like you. Let's share out and hitchhike. There is nothing we can't do. Ooh, babe, as long as I got you. I'm gonna open up my eyes this time. Open my heart and do it with a smile. I'm gonna love, 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 love. Give me your love, 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 love. You're stuck in the middle. Yeah, you're stuck in between. Things can only get better if you know what I mean. Once in the air, you realize what you want, the things that you dream of, and the things that you don't know. This is what it feels like. But you're not alone, 'cause I'm just like you. Let's share out and hitchhike. There is nothing we can't do. Ooh, babe, as long as I got you. I'm gonna open up my eyes this time. Open my heart and do it with a smile. I'm gonna love, 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 love. Give me your love, 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 love. I'm gonna open up my eyes this time. Open my heart and do it with a smile. I'm gonna love, 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 love. Give me your love, 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 love. Think it's time to call it quits. The kitchen tap is broken. Drip, 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 drip. Dirty dishes in the sink. We've been laying here for weeks, weeks, weeks. We're not talking anymore. It's like we're scared of trying. So different from when we started off. Now we're just like, think it's time to call it quit. Think it's time to call.
Take me back to Mexico. That Cancun sun would turn the sun. You were high on me, wanted to vibe with me. Take me back to Mexico. That Cancun sun would turn the sun. You were high on me, wanted to vibe with me.
I'm the shy type, so calm down. You know I can stand it. The screaming, I don't get it. Always so damn angry. You're the shy type, that's nice. You can't stand it either. The screaming for no reason. They are always angry. You are so lonely, I get it. We can be lonely together. We can be lonely forever. You are so awkward, I get it. We can be awkward together. We can be awkward forever. We don't need no words, you get me. Without no talking, you know just where my heart is. We don't need no words, you get me. Without no talking, you know just where my heart is. Where my heart is, 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 where my heart is. Up this high, I see the clouds. Time is moving slowly. I can breathe now. Come down. I think I belong here. You are so awkward, I get it. We can be awkward together. We can be awkward forever. We don't need no words, you get me. Without no talking, you know just where my heart is. We don't need no words, you get me. Without no talking, you know just where my heart is. Where my heart is, 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 where my heart is. We don't need no words, you get me. Where my heart is, where my heart is. We don't need no words, you get me. Where my heart is, where my heart is. We don't need no words, you get me. Without no talking, you know just where my heart is. We don't need no words, you get me. Without no talking, you know just where my heart is. Tell me what your name is. Tell me what you like and all your secrets. I just wanna go over the details. Let me inside of your mind. I know I just met you, but something tells me that you might be into talking to a stranger with a tattoo. Baby, I'm one of a kind. There's a reason we're here. There's a vibe in the air that neither you or me could deny. Boy, I see how you stare up and down everywhere. I can tell you're far from shy. So let's talk till we drop, or till we get kicked out. Let's just say what we want. Come on, spit it out. You and me both got the time to try to get to know each other's minds. So let's talk till we drop, or till we get kicked out. Everybody smoking. Boy, it's getting late, but we keep talking. I can't help but feel like I've been chosen. I'm the one inside your mind. You go on about a charm. Tell me things like how you hate to walk and dogs. I go on about my ex who broke my heart. Baby, we're too out of line. There's a reason we're here, there's a vibe in the air that neither you and me could deny. Boy, I see how you stare up and down everywhere. I can tell you're far from shy. So let's talk.